How are you today?
I'm okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Not happy. Pala. Nice color. So nice. Thank you. Such a big one. Don't worry. Just want to look at you. Oh, what is this? Can you sing something? Can you sing something? No. Here we go. Hop. Hoppala. Come back. Today is your video day. And soon after you can go back in the forest. So we just look at it because today he's our guest. Not so happy, but find you something to eat. Look at the black fingers. You're protesting, huh? Protesting. Sorry for the out of focus, but this is done right on the spot. That's the way it is on my channel. We just sometimes seize the opportunity to show something. You can always do it better another time, but today we just have this. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Such a nice... You're one big daddy already. How can we know? Oh, but this I don't know how to recognize. 1 second, I'm busy doing a video about our toad friend. Okay, go back in your swimming pool for tonight. Then we're gonna see tomorrow what you still have to do for us. But okay. I mean, now the toad is a little bit excited, but when I'm gone and no light, he's just sitting nicely on that stone and waiting for tomorrow.